pressing to get the phone out. So this is the pink rose, like I said before. Of course, so we have here, we'll leave the phone side first. Then we have manual, usual, nothing much. And of course, we have the Type-C to Type-C cable. And what else? Let's see. Of course, just the usual collection, nothing else. Most high-end phones like this usually come with a charger, but Samsung doesn't have that, even though the phone is quite expensive. So I think I'll leave that for now. Of course, here we have the pin ejector. I think it's just better with this one. Then, did it join it together though? Oh yeah. So we have this one. Okay. Okay, so we have that. We have this. And of course, we have the phone itself. So this is the pink rose. I think it's similar to the last year edition, but let's go on. So we have this coming off it, and yeah, so aesthetically it looks great. It just close a little bit similar to the S25 Ultra, as you can see. And let's turn it up. Okay, finally it came up. So that's what we have in the phone for the S26 Ultra. This is the pink rose color, as you can see. And that's it for the S26 Ultra. Welcome.